Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I'm a national expert in resolution. I was the IRS. It's really important. By the way, go to my website and learn about me. I've been on national TV. I have a book that's come out. So anyway, I want to tell you about how to handle this CP504 notice. You know, IRS is, your case is in the computer system. Most people don't know that. Your case aren't being worked by anyone. They have this huge servers. It's the K2 system, and all they do is spit out notice and notice and notice. So IRS has sent you out an LT14, a 501, a CP503, and now the CP504 comes out certified. So when you get this thing, well, it's showtime right now. You're going to get one more letter, and that's the LT11. At that point, you can file a collection due process. But once IRS sends you out this CP504 notice, it's official. You've got your final notice. With that, once the time period runs at the end of that letter, IRS can, if they wish to send you a bank levy, a levy to anybody who's holding your money, your wages, file a federal tax lien, and yes, even take your passport away at this. Just so you know, it's all this is time sensitive. So what you have to do at this point is you have to develop a game plan on what you want to do with IRS. This is the time. Actually, it's the 30 days that you have within this. You usually get your notice. You have 30 days, and then the LT11 comes out to file your collection due process. But it's at this time you got to say, this is what I'm going to do on this case. You must have a definitive plan of action right now. So what's going to happen? How's IRS going to work your case? They're going to ask for a financial statement, a 433F. You can download it and look at it. It's a 2-page financial statement. Look at what they're going to ask for. That's what they're going to want to fill in. A revenue officer will ask for the 433A, and then they're either going to put you into currently non-collectible, currently being the key word. They'll keep you there a couple years. They'll come out and review it. That's let penalties and interest run. They can put you in a payment plan, most likely, because they're going to want something from you, or you can file the offer and compromise to settle your debt if, in fact, you're eligible. So anyway, if you don't owe a lot of money, you should try to take care of this yourself. Just understand what IRS is going to do with your financial statement. If you owe more money, you really should have a professional look at it, because IRS is going to try to want to get money from you, a lot of times more money than you want to give them, and you're not going to know how to fight that. Anyway, if you need me, let me know. Remember, I was the IRS, so I know the best tax defenses to use. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. That's really important, because that's one of the goals IRS does. They want to compress the case, get the tax returns filed, and then resolve it. Give me a subscription. I tell you what you want. You can always email me or text me. Thank you so much.